little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet, a cute chocolate bar.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing. Let's begin by drawing the packet for our chocolate bar. First, we'll draw a big rectangle. This will be the main part of the packet. Next, let's make the packet look like it's opened. On top of the rectangle, draw a special wavy shape. This will look like the top part of the wrapper is peeled open. Now, let's draw the chocolate bar peeking out from the packet. Draw another rectangle coming out from the top of the packet. To make our chocolate bar look more real, let's divide it into 8 pieces. Start by drawing one vertical line down the middle, and then add 3 horizontal lines going across. Now, in each section, let's draw some small rectangles to make the chocolate pieces.
La da 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 dee.
They look yummy already. Now, let's give our chocolate bar some personality by adding a cute face.
La da da
Let's
da
draw 2 big,
dee.
adorable eyes on the packet. Next, draw a funny mouth underneath the eyes.
Awesome!
Isn't it looking fantastic? Whoa! Our cute chocolate bar is almost ready. But let's make it stand out more by going over the lines again to make them bold and sharp. This will really make it pop. Nice job! Look how nicely our chocolate bar is dancing.
Yay!
Now, it's time to color our cute chocolate bar. We're going to use some sweet and fun colors. Let's start with blue color.
Wow!
Next, navy blue color. Pink color.
Wow!
For the open part of the wrapper, let's use gray color. Now, let's color the actual chocolate with a rich brown color. Doesn't that look delicious?
Wow!
Chocolate color.
Yay!
some light brown color. Wow! Our cute and colorful chocolate bar looks amazing. You did such an awesome job today. Don't forget to share your drawing with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Thanks for drawing with me today, little artists. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.